Good morning, everyone from San Francisco. Good evening in India. My name is Amita. I am co-founder of Nourish Doc, an outcome-based platform for natural and holistic therapies. In our weekly session today, we are going to focus on how Ayurvedic treatment can help heal psoriasis. Presenting this topic, we have Dr. Gaurang Joshi, an international Ayurveda physician who has done a lot of research on dermatology. Dr. Joshi is also president of International Psoriasis Foundation, and he has treated thousands of patients who have psoriasis with success. Dr. Joshi, welcome to our show.
Namaste, good morning to all our viewers at USA. Good afternoon, the viewers, those who are watching from Europe. And good evening and good night to all our viewers from India. It's really a pleasure here to be a speaker on this platform. Thank you, Amita, for this good platform to share my expertise with all the viewers.
You're welcome. So please, let's start with Ayurvedic management of psoriasis.
Yes. So, dear friends, in last 2 or 3 episodes, we have discussed about the causative factors of psoriasis, the pathophysiology of psoriasis, stress management, how stress is the triggering factor for the psoriasis. And particularly those who are watching this live in the USA, I would like to share with you that the maximum number of patients or maximum number of people in the United States, they are having this skin problem, particularly psoriasis and eczema. And they are taking lots of steroids or chemotherapeutic agents, and they don't have a particularly good diet and lifestyle. So our motive is to provide you correct diet and lifestyle and some natural way to combat this psoriasis, because it's very problematic in the West, in US and Europe. And this is my just humble effort to solve your problem through our natural Ayurvedic treatment, diet and lifestyle. As you know, psoriasis is one of the most complicated skin disorder, and also it's really difficult to cure among difficult to cure skin disorder. So it is rooted in the very deep sapta dhatu, that is 7 channels of your body. And the line of treatment is, as I already mentioned you, that your diet, incorrect diet, inappropriate diet combination, inappropriate lifestyle, that are the causative factors, and that produce certain types of toxin that is called ama in your body. And when ama gets stuck in your skin, that will produce lots of skin disorders. So we need to do, when we are planning to the point of the treatment, the first line of treatment in Ayurveda, that is Nidana Parivarjanam, means to avoid causative factor. That is the first line of treatment. So first line of treatment is whatever the causative factors, your inappropriate food combination, your inappropriate lifestyle, your stress, your uneven lifestyle, or if you are not taking proper sleep, if you don't have a good interpersonal relationship, these are the main causative factors. You are taking alcohol, you are taking, or you are doing smoking. These are the causative factors that trigger the disorder. So first, correct your diet, correct your lifestyle, avoid smoking, avoid taking alcohol, take proper sleep, avoid stress. If you are having stress, go for meditation, go for pranayam. That definitely will help you to come out from this disease at the earliest. And then after, you need to follow all the dietary and lifestyle medications what we are suggesting you, that you need to continue throughout the life if you want to remain disease free. Otherwise, psoriasis or all the skin disorders, they have tendency of reoccurrence. They will reoccur. So you need to plan it accordingly and you need to follow it. Then and then you can come out from this disorder. So first line of treatment, when we are going for the therapeutic approach, we need to go for the therapeutic management. And as I told you, that what we can do, it is rooted in your channels of the body. We need to go for the cleansing of your body. Then we need to balance the dosas. If any dosas that are vitiated by your diet, lifestyle, and inappropriate way of your stress and everything, so we need to balance the dosa. Then due to psoriasis, you are having lots of other problems, and that's why you require nourishment. You require immunomodulation, because when there is a scaling and itching in your body, you can lose your calcium, vitamins, minerals. So we need to provide all the vitamins, minerals, and nourishment and all the immunity, immunomodulation to you. So enhancing immune system to fight the disease and external applications. So this is the mode of the treatment. So it's a fixed treatment protocol for the psoriasis, and we need to focus it all the time. Right? Now we have planned a treatment protocol that is called complete skin detoxification treatment. That is our special protocol for the psoriasis and skin disease management, and that is internal detoxification through Ayurveda Panchakarma treatment. Panchakarma means Pancha means 5 and Karma means therapies. 5 types of therapies we are doing. But in psoriasis we require Vamana, that is drug-induced vomiting, Virechan, this is drug-induced purgation, Rakta Mokshan, that is bloodletting. So as per requirement, we are planning all the treatment, and if patient is required only Virechan, we will go for Virechan. If patient is required only bloodletting, we will go for bloodletting. If you are having a scalp psoriasis, we can go for the Shirodhara with medicated oil, that is having a special oil that is prepared for psoriasis and eczema patient. Then external detoxification. So by doing massage, Abhyanga, Shirodhara, we'll go for detoxification of all the 7 layers of your skin. Then we are focusing on stress management. Shirodhara is one of the best treatment for the stress management. Then we focus on yoga, pranayam, meditation. We advise the patient to go for the pranayam, meditation, and diet management. That is very important, that I all the time emphasize on diet, lifestyle management, yoga, and meditation. So this is our standard operating procedure, that is called SOP and called Sampurna Tvacha Shuddhikaran Chikitsa, means complete skin detoxification treatment. That is our protocol for the psoriasis, and we got excellent result. You can see, I will share you the pictures of before and after treatment protocol in next couple of slides. So we are going for Vamana, that is drug-induced vomiting, Virechan, that is drug-induced purgation. If we are having a scalp psoriasis, we will go for this Shirodhara with proper oil is also very effective. Stress management, some oral Ayurvedic medicine. We have some products like this Esoro capsule and Sorotel powder. So these are the herbal medicine we are using for the internal consumption, immunomodulators for immunity, some external applications. We have our oil cream, and then regular follow-up with yoga and meditation to relieve the mental stress. But main thing is that the diet, lifestyle, and stress management, what we are advising you need to follow it thoroughly. That is the main perspective of our Ayurvedic treatment. Without that, you will get relief for short term, but if you want to go for long term relief, then you need to follow diet and lifestyle thoroughly. That is very important.
That's very, very useful. You emphasize the importance of diet
Yes.
so much.
Because Ayurveda focuses that your food is your medicine. If you are having a good food, then there is no need to go for any medicine. But if your food is incorrect, then medicine is also not work. So we need to focus the appropriate food combination, appropriate diet, appropriate lifestyle management. Then definitely you will go for complete remission of the disorder. And this is the contents of this my product Sorotel, and Ashwagandha, that is Vaidhania somnifera, Shatavari, that is Asparagus rasmosus, Guduchi, that is Tinospora cordifolia, Manjista, Anantmul, Chopchini. You will find all this Latin name We are having a Sonamukhi, that is a natural purgative. So we want to follow a natural detoxification treatment while you are taking oral medicine also. And coconut oil for the local application, sunbath after this external application, it will definitely lowering down your dryness of the skin, and it will reduce the inflammation of your skin, and gradually your skin can become normal. Coconut oil can be used as a topical ointment and is a safe and effective treatment for psoriasis. It has been used to moisturize the skin for the centuries. Actually, very natural moisturizer is your virgin coconut oil. And the true benefit of coconut oil comes from its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. That's why I am most of the time emphasize to use virgin coconut oil. And the active ingredients in coconut oil is medium chain fatty acids, MCFA. And these medium chain fatty acids penetrate the skin to the connective tissues where they reduce the cellular inflammation. And this is the main pharmacokinetics of virgin coconut oil, and it's very useful for the local application.
So let's move a little bit. I know you've done a lot of research on psoriasis and your product called Sorotel, the herbal formulation. So could you please expand on your research a little bit for our viewers and how it helps?
Yes. We have done a clinical trial for this Sorotel. This is a polyherbal. This is the final product after clinical trial, and this is the capsule. The name is different, but the contents are the same, right? So this was a pilot study we have conducted on psoriatic patients, and with this Sorotel herbal powder and Asoro capsule, and it thoroughly done under the observation of dermatologist and at a very good center. And at our center we have done almost more than 50 patients in the clinical trial registered for this product, and we got excellent result with the clinical trial. It was been for the 4 months, and the thing is that this formulation worked within 4 to 6 months, were long lasting and certain dietary restrictions follow. So again, is very effective formulation for all skin disorders, because this is a multi-purpose herbal formulation we can use in psoriasis, eczema, lichen planus, all skin disorders. So it's a totally scientific clinical trial has been conducted, and this product is registered in the Indian FDA. And also we have a specialized formulation for the people who are staying in United States or Europe. And I have lots of European patients and USA patients. They are coming for the treatment of psoriasis to me, and they are having an excellent result with our products.
Okay, so moving forward, I think, you also mentioned Sorotel herbal tea. So maybe you can talk about some of the ingredients of the Sorotel herbal tea.
Yes, that I already told you. That is Manjishta rubia cordifolia, Anantmul, is Haridrakhand, Sonamukhi, Haritaki, Neem, Ashwagandha, Guduchi, Chopchini. If you just go through all the contents, all the herbs formulation, you just go. There are some for good skin. There are some for the natural detoxification. Ashwagandha is very best immunomodulators, and Guduchi is one of the best immunomodulator. We are using Brahmi for your mental stress management and mental immunity booster. So it contains all types of requirement that basically required to treat all the skin disorders, including psoriasis, eczema, lichen planus, or dry skin or xerosis. Whatever the skin problem is there, this is a multi-purpose Sorotel herbal powder and Asoro capsule that contains all the extract of all these above mentioned herbs. So this is a scientifically proved formulation that we are using for our patients, and anybody want to order this, you can order to this Nourish Doc page. You can contact them, and through that we can send it to you at the United States. But thing is that this is not only the formulation, you need to follow the diet and lifestyle and stress management also. So you can see this is a case. He was from UK. He was there for he was here for the Panchakarma treatment. He was having psoriasis more than 35 years old. You just see, And he wrote me when he consulted me first time in the 2014 that I tried everything but I never got any result. Then I explained, if you want to come for the deoxypyxin treatment, he came, he stayed for 15 days. He was working with multinational bank. He was having a very stressed job. And the patient who never got the result in 35 years, on the 10th day of the treatment, you just see the result is there. And still he is following the diet and lifestyle. Even I met him in 2017 when I was in UK, I was at London. So he's living quite comfortably. He left the job, which was very stressful, and he have now another job that is having a less stress. He is balancing all the diet and lifestyle, and is still comfortable with without any recurrence.